that swim in the ocean and spit salt from their noses. Penguins thousands of miles from Antarctica. And an abundance of unique plants. Some animals are tiny, and some have only just been discovered. This is a place of wonders. Galapagos. Islands born of fire. With inhabitants that have transformed our understanding of the whole of life on Earth.